Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on the parts hauler, a 1965 Pontiac Catalina Safari. And I'm working on putting a power window in the rear tailgate. And I found a little bit of a difference in some connectors, so I just wanted to show you that today. So these are the two connectors that I bought. This is the first one I bought. I Googled it. Google is pretty much useless. All they show is you a bunch of for sale ads and no information. And it looked pretty close to what I needed, especially since I was doing this at like 11, 12 o'clock at night. So I bought it, and it fit, but not good enough. So I went online. I was looking for something else. I think I was looking for a switch for the tailgate, and this guy popped up, which is the correct connector. Now if you look here, they're both PACCON, but this one here says 2 series. This one here doesn't say anything. So I hope this video helps somebody, because I'm a VW guy, not a GM guy. So I'm not familiar with how all these parts work, and I ordered the wrong one. But hopefully you don't order the wrong one for yours. Have a good day.